Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 music tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit the activity tracking settings on your Garmin Vivoactive 3. So activity tracking is going to be anything from stair climbing, intensity minutes, steps, everything like that that tracks your activity. We can go in and edit how these activities are tracked via the settings. So to get in there we need to long press the watch face. Once the menu loads, scroll all the way down to settings. Once in settings, scroll down until you see activity tracking. And then as you can see in here, we have many options. So we can turn off activity tracking completely by just selecting status. We can turn on or off the move alerts, and that's going to alert you if you've been sitting for 60 minutes or more. We can edit the goal alerts, which is going to alert you if you've met your step goal, your stair climbing goal, or your intensity minute goal. And then we can also have activities automatically start if the watch senses that we're going for a walk or a run or something like that. Then in here at the bottom, we can edit when the intensity minutes are recorded. So I have it on auto, but we can also change it based on heart rate zone as well. So that's how you edit the activity tracking settings on your Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 3 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.